go, guys, fishing the boat.
It's a big one.
This is a good one.
Automatic first fish of the day. Let's go over this bridge.
Try to get everything set up here to weigh this fish. He's a long one. Just hook it in the mesh. Bob. 60.8, 60.18. It's over 50. It's 60. We'll call it a 60. It's a good fish, man. No doubt. 60 pounder, guys, aboard the FV for shizzle.
That feels good, man.
Yeah. You want some gloves?
I'm glad we got you on a big fish right away.
Absolutely. Look at the belly on this guy. Look at him.
I don't have to give your money back on that 50 pounder guarantee.
Your money back guarantee. You want to glove, man? Guys, I had that triple bypass, and I can't pick up no more than 20 pounds, and I'm certainly not going to pick up a 60-pound fish. I'm going to let Brandon have that on her.
For you.
It's really his fish. He handed it off to me to the spot, and I'm very thankful for that. Let's see if Brandon can get it up. There he is, guys. 60-pound blue beast.
Yeah.
Yeah. He gave me quite a workout today.
It's a good one.
Yeah. Look at that. Yeah, mouth. All right, guys. We're gonna get a couple pictures. Guys, we're gonna put him back, let him swim away so he can fight another day. Oh, there you go.
Good.
Good job, my friend.
That's how you get it going right there.
Yeah, that's how you start the day. All right, we'll be back.
And we're live because we got a fish on the line. Let's go for Shizzle.
With a monster.
It's so Brandon.
You're just walking like a dog.
Let me lift him.
He's in the net. He's in the net.
Don't lift him.
Woo!
Nice.
Guys need to have some light.
He's got everything. Okay.
Now.
All right.
I remember that feeling from last night. Great
This
feeling.
is bigger than the first one, man. This is bigger than the first one.
Look how
Real.
that.
Yeah.
Golly.
Man, they've been eating.
Hey,
Why don't you look at this pig?
on the bobtail.
I'm sure glad that don't count for tonight's show.
It counts. Come on. What time is it?
9 o'clock
Come on,
on the
man.
nose.
Right now, that's in the boat before the show time.
He's as wide as he is long.
He is a tank, man.
Hey, Brandon, you got the Mad Cat code?
Oh, yeah. We gotta do the
You'll have
code,
to
man.
Tell me the code. We might drop off here and make a video. Let's let him go. All right.
All right, guys. We got it. What was that, 69?
Yeah.
He was 68, 69 pounds. We're fixing to release him. Big old fish. Second fish over 60 tonight. And we've got one on the line right now that we're gonna have to hand line in. There he is, guys. I'm gonna let him get a little water over his lungs and over his gills. And Brandon's gonna release him.
Oh.
There he goes, he kicked off. Good deal.
Heck yeah.
We let that one swim away, so he'll fight another day.
Turning into a good night.
Good job, my friend. High five. Sure. Don't leave me hanging, brother.
We got a fish on over here.
We got a fish on this
Pretty
line.
sure we got a fish on.
And look at this basket weaving we've been doing here.
It's on the mono, right?
I don't know. I think it's either. I think it might be on the braid. It might be on the orange rod. This is how you do a little basket weaving for catfish. I really don't know which line he's on. He's on the other side of the
Hard to
boat.
handline a big fish.
Yeah.
But when they go to run, it's hard to stay up dry. You know, you just have to learn. I'll put up around the back of you.
Where'd he go?
What do you do?
Careful that motor.
Oh, that's a good fish, man.
It's pulling drag.
Hey, loosen me drag some. Loosen it up.
Oh, we're gonna need the net for that one. Ain't we? Well, the net's not together. Holy crap, that's a big fish. Let me put the
Look at
net.
these guys. They're going to have match at first, second, and third place
Yeah.
finish this week.
If they got
There we go. Oh, they didn't do a magic trick. Put the net back together.
Woo!
Donald Long, good evening.
Man.
it done,
Look at that. That's another monster.
I'm